Hi, third graders. This is Miss Kopak. Are you ready to do some division with me today? Last week, we learned how division is when we take a number and break it into equal groups. So we start with a big number called a dividend, and we take that number and we break it into groups. This number we call the divisor. And our answer to a division problem will tell us how many are in each group, and we call that a quotient. So I want to remind you about arrays. We made arrays back when we were first learning about multiplication. For example, when we were first learning how to do 4 times 3, we would make an array. We would make a row of 4, and we did that 3 times. So an array helped us figure out the answer to a multiplication problem, because after we made those rows of 4, we added them all up to find that there was 12 altogether. But did you know that arrays also show division? Shocking, right? Pretty cool. Let me show you how. So let's go back to this array for 4 times 3 equals 12. Since multiplication and division are related, I can use this array to show a division problem. So remember, division, we start with the big number, 12. There are 12 stars in all. I can break this 12 into 3 groups. Right here they are. Here is group number 1, the top row, group number 2, the middle row, and group number 3, the bottom row. So there are my 3 groups. And if we look at each group, we can see how many stars are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. That array helped me show the division problem. Let's look at another one. Take a look at this array. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We have 30 happy faces in all. And we are going to divide that 30 into groups. So let's see how many groups we have. In other words, how many rows do we have? Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 rows or 6 groups. So take a look at those rows. How many happy faces are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 in each row. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Let's try this one, an array of flowers. So let's find our big number, the dividend. How many flowers do we have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And another 7 makes 14. And another 7 is 21. And another 7 is 28. We have 28 flowers in all. How many groups do we have? In other words, how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 rows or 4 groups. So, how many flowers are in each row? There are 7 flowers in each row. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. So, these problems that I just showed you, I gave you the array, and we were able to figure out the division problem that array represents. But sometimes the array might not be given to you. You will have to make the array. So I have a division problem, 18 divided by 6. So maybe I'm going to use a star picture here. I need to have 18 stars. And they're going to be in 6 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are my 6 rows. But that is not 18 stars. So let's put another set of stars in each row. So I still have my 6 rows. Are there 18 altogether? No, there's only 12. So let's try another set. Do we have 18 stars now? Yes, we do. There are 18 stars now. So 18 divided by 6 equals how many? How many stars are in each row? 3. There are 3 stars in each row. Let's try another one. How about this time? Instead of stars, let's do happy faces. So we're going to need 27 happy faces in all. And there's going to be 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So I need to keep adding happy faces until we get 27. Are we at 27 yet? No, of course not. Let's add some more. Well, now I'm at 9. Now we're at 12. 3 more makes 15. 18. 21. 24. 27. We got it. So take a look at our 3 rows. How many happy faces are in each row? Did you get the answer? It is 9. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 happy faces in each row. Let's try one more. Let's get a little bit bigger here. 42. That's a big number. How about this time? Let's go with flowers. So we're going to do 42 flowers in all. And we need 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 rows, but we need to get to 42. So let's put 6 more here. Now we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 24. All right, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Oh, that was a lot of flowers. All right, so take a look at our 6 rows. How many flowers are in each row? If you said 7, you had the correct quotient. Remember, a quotient is the answer to a division problem. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. So today, when you go into Seesaw and you click the Add Response button, you're going to see some more problems, just like this on the screen, where you will have to make the array and write the answer, or you will see an array and you will have to write the division problem and the answer. So you will see both types of problems. But if you forget how to do this, you can always rewatch this video to refresh your memory. But I think you got this. You are ready to give it a try. See you soon, raccoons.